Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Gurunadam. I want to explain the Olympiad mathematical gems to you. So daily one question I will solve and I post it in my YouTube channel. So please like it and subscribe it and learn it first. Learning is important. Learn the question first. Okay. So read the gem one here. Today I am starting the gem one. For how many integers n such that 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 2014 is it true that the binomial coefficient 2014 Cn is a multiple of 4? So here I want to introduce a new concept, Kummer's theorem. First I will explain the Kummer's theorem and I will give some examples. Then we will come back to that question, how it was used, Kummer's theorem, to solve that question. What the Kummer's theorem? What is the Kummer's theorem says that I am not telling the original statement. I am telling only the simplified statement of the Kummer's theorem. What the Kummer's theorem in my view is, if m and n are positive integers and p is a prime number, then in the binomial coefficient MCn, what is the power of p? What is this power of a prime number p? To find this power, Kummer's theorem is useful. Actually, in IIT JEE part, NCR formula directly we can apply, but here to solve this type of problems, Kummer's theorem is very helpful. Why? Because here we have to find for how many values of n this is a multiple of 4. So you have to learn the Kummer's theorem and its applications here. So see how we can find the power of p in binomial coefficient MCn. So I simplified this statement here. Kummer's theorem statement is simplified, and what in my view, in the depth, what is the Kummer's theorem statement is, if we want to know the power of p in the binomial coefficient MCn, so first write express this n and the difference of these two numbers in base p form. Base p form. Suppose I want to find out the 2 power in MCn, then I will express these two numbers, that means m and difference of m and n in base 2 form. Base 2 format, base 5 formats are there. So I will express here base p format. Then I will add the two numbers in base p format. That means suppose n in base p format is this one and m minus n base p format is this one. If I added these two in base p format only, addition in base p format, so the number of carries, how many times a number is carried during the addition process is nothing but the power of p. Number of carries is the power of p. This is the statement of the Kummer's theorem. Okay, I will give some examples. Suppose 10C2, simple example I am taking, 10C2. What is the 10C2 value? 10C2 value is 45. 45 means this is prime factor is 3 square into 5. What is the 3 power here? 3 is a prime number and this 3 has a power 2. So by using Kummer's theorem, I will see the power prime number 3 has power 2. I will show. See what is the Kummer's theorem says that MCn in MCn binomial coefficient n and m minus n. Take m and m minus n first. That means take 2 and 10 minus 2 is 8. Then express these two in base p form. I want to show here 3 power only. So I am converting these two in base 3 format. I will convert. What is the 2 in base 3 format? 2 itself only in the base 3 format. What is the 8 in base 3 format? If 8 is converted in base 3 format, 22 I am getting here. 22 base 3 format. If we add addition process, in addition process number of carriers only we have to count all this. So 2 in base 3 format and 22 in base 3 format I want to add. So 2 plus 2, 4. But in base 3 system, only the digits should be 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 digits. So 2 plus 2, 4 is, in base 3 format it is 11. So that means 1 is carried here. 11. So 1 time is carried here. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Again 3 is not a digit in base 3 system. So it is 3 is converted as 10 in base 3 system. So that means 10 here, 1 here and 0. Then 1 is here. This is the addition of these two numbers in base 3 system addition. So how many times the number carries here? This one is 1 time and this one is 1. So 2 times it is carried. So that's why 10C2 contains 3 power 1. 3 power 2. That is the Homer's theorem. And again one more example I will put 10C1 simply. 10C1 is 10 only. In 10 it has no 3. So it is not a multiple of 3. No 3 power is possible in 10. So here what I am doing, express 1 and 10 minus 1, 9 in base 3 format first. So 1 is base 3 format I want to express it. 1 is 1 only base 3 format. But 9 in base 3 format is 100. 9 is converted as 100 in base 3 format. If I add these two, 1 in base 3 format and 100 in base 3 format, I am getting 101 base 3 format, but no carry is possible. In this units place, 1 plus 0 is 1, 10 plus 0, 100 plus 1. There is no carrying is possible during the whole process of addition. So that's why it has power 3 power 0 into something. That means 3 is not a factor of 10C1. 3 power 0 means it is independent of 3. So this is the Homer's theorem. A statement, and already examples are given, 2 examples are given. Okay. Then how Homer's theorem can be applied in this case, in the given question. Read the question. I want in this binomial coefficient for how many values of n, this is a multiple of 4 I want. So that means in binomial coefficient 2000 Cn, for how many values of n, this is a multiple of 4. But according to Homer's theorem, these two are the positive integers, whereas this should be a prime number. But 4 can be written as 2 square. In prime factorization, it is 2 square into sum. That means for how many values of n, this coefficient can be expressed as a multiple of 2 square. How many values are possible only we have to find out. That is the given question. So I will find out here. If this value is having 2 power 0 into something, that means this is not a multiple of 4. Am I right? And also, if 2 power 1 is also having, then this number is also not a multiple of 4. So I will find these two. That means by using the Homer's theorem, for how many values of n, 2 has a power 0, and for how many values of n, 2 has a power 1, I will find out first. Then, in total, how many numbers are there? N values 0 to 2015 values are there. So 2015 minus this number of values I will subtract, so that for the remaining values of n, that is a multiple of 4. After that, 2 power 0, 2 power. After that, if it taken 2 square, that is a multiple of 4. 2 square, 2 cube, 2, whatever it is. So that's why I will find these two values. For how many values of n, this expansion has 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. Then I will subtract the sum from the 2015. That is the required answer. That is the procedure what we have to do. 2 power 0. When we will get 2 power 0? 2 power 0 means first I will convert this n and 2014 minus n in base 2 format. Then if I add, no carrying is possible during the whole process of addition, then that is the 2 power 0 I will get. Here only one time only carrying should be possible during the whole process of addition. But here n value I don't know. If I know n, then that is very easy. But here n is unknown. So that's why what I am doing here is I am going in a reverse way. First part, 2 power 0 part I am taking here. So 2014 Cn is equal to 2 power 0 into sum. That means no 2 is there. That means it is strictly an odd number. 3 power 5 power 7 power so on. Except what I am doing, first I will find the 2014 in binary. I will express 2014 in binary representation. Base 2 representation. 2 table, how many times it will go? 1007 base 0, remainder 0. 2 table 503 times remainder 1. 5 table 250, 251. 2 table only. 4 5 times 1 time and remainder is 1. Again 2 table 125 times remainder is 1. Again 2 table 62 times remainder is 1. Again 2 table 31 times remainder is 0. Again 2 table 15 times remainder is 1. Again 2 table 7 times remainder is 1. Again 2 table 3 times remainder is 1. Again 2 table 1 time and remainder is 1. That means 1 2 3 4 5 ones 0 4 ones. 4 1 0. So 2014 can be expressed as 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 in binary. So I want to express this value without carrying the sum of the two values. That means n and m minus n. In that means n and m minus n values. N and m minus n values. I want to add these two without carrying. Then we have to get this one as an answer. That is the thing. Okay. So when sum of these two, we will get this one without carrying in any term during the whole process of addition means. So I will focus on the zero parts only. If they are zero itself, no change. I don't want to change. Actually, binary system contains only 0 and 1 on digits. So in these two places, I will keep 0 as usually, as itself. If we change the remaining digits also, then we can get this one. For example, I will give here. So suppose n is equal to whatever the number of digits may be. So that's why suppose I am taking 1 here, 0, 1 0 0 1 0. That means the first digit and the fifth digit. First digit and fifth digit is remainder 0. Same, it is not changed. First position and fifth position, zeros only I keep here. Remaining values may change the values. Whatever the values may be. When 0 and 1s are only possible, that means you keep either 0 or 1 in these remaining places, except these two positions. Then always we will get in without carrying only the sum I will get here. So what is the m minus n value is here 0 only. Here I want to 1 here 0 1 1 0 0 0 and 4 ones I will keep. Then if I add these two terms, I am not getting any carrying here. So that means if we keep these two positions at 0 only and the remaining here 4 positions, 9 positions are there. In the remaining 9 positions, you may keep either 0 or 1, whatever it may be. Then always you will get the sum of these two numbers as 2014 in base 2 system without carrying of any number. Without carrying only, you will get always. So that means how many values are possible here, how many different values are possible here means only I am fixing these two positions, but the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places I may keep either 0 or 1. So how many numbers are possible means number of possibilities here. Number of possibilities here are 2 power 9. Why? Because 9 places are there. In these 9 places, I may keep either 0 or 1. 2 possibilities are there for each position. So that's why 2 power 9 means 512 values are possible. 512 values are possible for n. So that 2014 Cn is a multiple of 2 power 0. So In the first case, then 2 power 0 means 512 values are possible for it. Now I am coming to the second. That means second part is 2 power 1. 2 power 1. That means 2014 C4 N is a multiple of 2. 2 power multiple of 2 power. Again, 2014 already I expressed in binomial representation as 5 ones 0 and 4 ones 0. Yes. That means here I wanted 2 power 1 means I want to get a number carried only one time only. Only one time only if it is carried, then 2 has a power 1 in the binomial expansion of n and 2014 minus n. Only one time only carrying should be done during the addition process. So what I am doing here I will consider the two cases. The first case is 1 1 1 1 1 0. Is this the 2014? Am I right? So I will keep this 0 as usual 0 only. I don't want to change this 0. But in the last two digits 10, if I written as 0 1, then I will get the remaining 8 positions. These are 5 ones and these are 3 ones. So remaining 8 positions we may keep either 0 or 1. So in all cases are possible. There is 0 and 1 0. 0 1 is substituted here in place of n. Then definitely I will get only one time only carry. I will show example also. Suppose n is equal to I want this only 1. Here, what are the positions here? 0. But this position should be 0. After the 3 ones are there, I am keeping 0 1 0 here. 3 places. Then in place of last 10, I am taking 0 1. Suppose if I taken n as this one, and what is the m minus n? M minus n I will take it as only one time one it has to carry here. That means I will subtract this one, this one. Which number I will get here? 0 minus 1 means 3. 0 minus 1. I want to subtract this minus this one. 0 minus 1. How I will get 0 here? 1. And this is also 1. Oh, this is 0. Then this is 1 0 1 1 1. This position is not disturbed here 0. Then 1 1 1 1. Which position this is? This position is not disturbed here. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Sixth digit. 1 2 3 4 5. Sixth digit is 0. And this is 1. That's all only. So if I don't want to disturb this one 0, and if I taken 0 here, so it is empty. So this is the m minus n. If I add these two, how I am getting 1 plus 1 10. 1 plus 1 in binary system is 2, but 2 is 10. So 1 is carried here 0. Then this 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, and 0 plus 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then 0 plus 0 0 0 1 is 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So here only 3 zeros because 5 zeros are there. So this is the question. 5 1 0 4 1 0. So this is one possible case here. So in place of this one, keep 0 as usual. In place of 10, if you write 0 1, so for all values of that type of n, we will get the sum should be 2014 binary system, and also only one time only carrying is possible during the whole process of it. Similarly, another case is also possible. That means second case 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here also what I am doing is in this position I will keep 0 as itself, but this 1 is changed to 0. This is the second, same that case only. But here in this place I keep 0, but here in this place I am keeping 0 itself. No change. So how many numbers are possible here means these are 5 ones and 3 ones. So in these 8 places we can keep either 0 or 1. So that I am getting 2 power 8 numbers. That means 256 numbers are possible here. Similarly here also These are the 4 ones and these are the 4 places. In these 8 places, I can keep any one, any 0 or 1. So that's why here also 2 power 8 possibilities are there. So for 256 and 512 numbers are, for 512 values of n, this coefficient is 2 power 1 into something. And these 512 values of n, this coefficient is 2 power 0 into something. So in total, 512 and 512, 1024 numbers, the n is not a multiple of 4. For n is equal to 1024 values, 2014 Cn is not a multiple of 4. But in the question he asked to find the multiple of 4 he asked. So required n value is equal to, required value of n is equal to, so total how many values are there? 0 to 2014 means 2015 values are there. 2015 minus 1024. For 1024 values of n, that is not a multiple of 4. So that's why from total number of values, I subtracted the n values which is not a multiple of 4. So if I subtracted here 5 minus 4 1, 11 minus 2 9, and here it is 991. So 991 values are possible for n, so that 2014 Cn is a multiple of 4. Out of 2015 values, only for 991 values only, this is a multiple of 4. For the remaining values, it is not a multiple of 4. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and share, subscribe to get the updates. Okay? Every day I will put one question in the YouTube channel. So subscribe it and to get the notifications for it. Thank you.